It's about 110 out here, and I fucking love it because I was freezing on that fucking airplane. Look, this is not just a balcony. This is the whole balcony with multiple accesses. Bellagio right there. Caesar's Palace back there. So I could come sit right there, or I could just, and there's a big club right here, right down there. It's all part of where I'm at. So that's gonna be going down all night down there too. So it's like, what side of the balcony you want to be on? It's just getting started. Just wanted to show y'all. Subscribe to the YouTube channel because that's where the real deal videos are. This is just advertisements. You know what I'm saying? I'm really working on something major. Really. Then I just got hooked up with Shock G today. I can't believe it. The dude is showing me pictures from the Tupac movie premiere. I'm like, what? We jamming my shit in the limo, stretch Escalade. Because when it's time to have fun, I have fun. I do that shit right. I ain't gonna do it halfway. I'm gonna do it all the way. Every day. I do shit in a major way. And I prove people wrong. Left and right. Every day. If they don't believe in me, I'ma show them. Shit. I'ma prove it to them. But I ain't got nothing to prove. I ain't got nothing to prove. Whoever don't believe in me, miss the boat then. Because Enigma Entertainment is coming. When I get back home, I'm getting in that studio. And if I quit 10 years ago and put out 80 albums, imagine what I'm going to do this time. And this time, I'm more determined than ever, more committed than ever to do it with everything that went on in my life. Major things are going to happen. If I was on national TV on the Ellen show, in a video game, on the talk show Hip Hop 411, in the newspaper, selling CDs worldwide in Japan, last time, when I was barely trying, what you think is going to happen now that I'm saying I'm back and I'm putting everything I got into this? Because I'm mad. I'm back and it's time to show these motherfuckers I'm back. And I'm in the studio and I'm going to be in there every day. You thought I did 80 albums last time, I'm going to do 1,000. And then every song's going to be the shit. And I'm selling them worldwide. No more selling in the parking lot. No. Over 10 years ago, I figured out, matter of fact, I figured out how to sell online before there was a Facebook, before there was a YouTube, before there was a Twitter. The internet was just getting started, and I was selling CDs worldwide, and that's what caught everybody's attention. Even Vinny V said that it was smart what I was doing. Everybody else was worried about distribution deals, and I had already figured out a way on my own to sell records, and I wasn't pushing it in their face. All the people overseas and all around the United States that bought the CDs bought it because they heard it and liked it. I didn't shove it in their face and tell them to buy it. They liked it. And it's still selling to this day. I'm still getting paid for that old music. So what's going to happen when I'm making this new music? Enigma Entertainment. Because this new music is gonna blow everybody. It's mine. For real though. Skip, bitch. Get my Hennessy. That's right. I'm grooving. They don't like that shit. And I'm just like a love in this bitch. Excuse me. I had about 55 Hennessy and Cokes. with the Ultimate Warrior shirt on. Who else could pull that shit off?